Hey guys, welcome back to another Random Reviews video. Today I have a thrift store find, and I figured you guys would enjoy since the last Hot Wheels video did pretty good, in my opinion. And so I figured I'd do a follow-up video and unbox this exclusive Editor's Choice Target Special Hot Wheels. This car is from the year 2000. And as you can see, it is one of the many in the Editor's Choice series. And be interesting to see if I could find any more in the series, and maybe we could make a mini series out of it, since we've already got the Hot Wheels series going. And honestly guys, I know my channel is the Random Reviews channel, but I feel like it could be the diecast channel with how much I love model cars and die-cast cars. But yeah guys, let's take a good look at this box before we get into it. Excuse me. You got the old 2000s Hot Wheels logo. V8 variable valve timing is here. You can see the Hot Rod magazine in the background here. And I believe this Mustang is a little card that you can display behind the car down there once you unbox it. And yeah, see the Mattel wheels down there. And I was digging through a pile of old Hot Wheels, and this is the only one that really caught my eye, and so I had to have it. And here we are. If you read the back here, it tells us about the Mustang, or sorry, about the magazine series. And how the editors from the country's hottest motor magazines met with Hot Wheels designers to handpick the Hot Wheels models for this series that best represent the customs you might actually drool over in the pages of their magazines. I'm not sure if these magazines are still being printed and published, but I'm sure if you are interested, you can find a set in someone's attic, or maybe on their shelves still. You never know. Of course, this is our magazine for this car here. And yeah guys, this car has waited 25 years to finally be cracked open and freed from its plastic prison. So let's get to it. And here it is with all its glory. Look at that beautiful paint job. Check it out, guys. Nice set of flames going down the side there. Rubber wheels, of course. Got the Hot Wheels logo on the bottom there. And let's see. Looks like 1998 as the actual year this car was produced. The front of it kind of reminds you of a bird for some reason. The flames going up the hood and down the roof here. We have some kind of roof scoop of sorts. And we got the Editor's Choice logo there in front of our slightly bent spoiler, but that's okay. And look at the tint on those windows. You can see the Hot Wheels logo there. Just on that side. And we got the exhaust there spitting out the side. And yeah, guys, just the profile of this car is beautiful. And like I said, the front here just, it looks like a hawk or a falcon or something that's getting ready to swoop in. And yeah, beautiful car. If you guys have any idea what kind of car this is, leave it down in the comments so that inquiring minds can know. Let's see how she rolls. Oh man, buttery smooth. Zoom out for you. If we take a look at our card here, it's not as I guess sturdy as I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to have some kind of rubber backing. I guess you could take this plastic here and use it as a kind of shield. If I could even get it to fit back in there. And set it up like that for your display. If I can find 3 more cars, one for each of these other series here, a 4-wheel drive, I guess that's a Mustang magazine maybe, or just a muscle car magazine, and then a truck magazine. And we'll look around, see what we can get into. But that's going to do it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed me rambling on about Hot Wheels and random reviews and anything else. Appreciate you guys hanging around, and if you did enjoy, remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. And let me know any thoughts you have down there in the comments. And that's it, guys. I will see you in the next video.